How to apply for a bachelor's degree in the USA. Applying for a bachelor's degree in the United States of America requires careful planning and organization. The process includes researching universities, meeting admission requirements, submitting applications, securing financial aid, and obtaining a student visa. Below is a detailed guide to help you navigate each step effectively. 1. Research and choose universities. The first step is to research and shortlist universities based on your academic interests, career goals, and financial situation. Consider factors like program offerings, university rankings, tuition fees, available scholarships, location, and campus life. Websites such as Common App, College Board, and US News Rankings can help you find detailed information on universities and their admission requirements. It is recommended to apply to a mix of reach, match, and safety schools to increase your chances of acceptance. 2. Understand admission requirements. Each university has specific admission criteria, but there are some common requirements you must fulfill. First, you will need your academic transcripts, which should include your high school grades, from grades 9 to 12, and be officially translated into English if they are in another language. Many universities require standardized test scores such as the SAT or ACT, though some have adopted a test-optional policy. If English is not your first language, you will also need to take an English proficiency test, such as the TOEFL, IELTS, PTE or Duolingo English test. In addition to academic qualifications, universities expect a personal statement or essay where you explain your background, achievements, and reasons for choosing their institution. You will also need letters of recommendation from teachers or mentors who can speak about your academic and personal strengths. Additionally, extracurricular activities, such as participation in sports, arts, volunteering, or leadership roles, can strengthen your application. 3. Submit applications. Most U.S. universities accept applications through their own online portals, and some also accepts through Common Application, Common App. Some universities charge an application fee ranging from $20 to $100, and some have application fee waivers too. In some cases, upon request, some university gives application fee waivers for eligible students. However, it is crucial to keep track of application deadlines, which vary based on the admission type. Early decision, ED, and early action, EA, deadlines usually fall in early November, while regular decision, ROAD, deadlines are in January or February. Some universities also have rolling admissions, meaning they accept applications throughout the year until all spots are filled. 4. Apply for financial aid and scholarships. Studying in the U.S. can be expensive, but various financial aid options are available to help international students. Universities offer merit-based and need-based scholarships, so checking each institution's website for financial aid opportunities is important. External scholarships, such as the Fulbright Foreign Student Program and the Hubert Humphrey Fellowship Program, can also provide funding for international students. Some universities require international students to submit the CSS profile, an application for financial aid administered by the College Board. U.S. citizens or eligible non-citizens can also apply for FAFSA, free application for federal student aid. 5. Await admission decisions. Universities usually release admission decisions between March and April. Applicants may receive one of three outcomes: acceptance, rejection, or waitlist placement. If you receive multiple offers, compare financial aid packages and choose the best option based on affordability and academic fit. In some cases, universities allow admitted students to negotiate their financial aid offers. 6. Apply for a student visa, F1 visa. Once you accept an offer from a U.S. university, the institution will send you an I-20 form, which is necessary for applying for a student visa. But some university may ask for certain deposit fee ranging from $100 to $1,000 to issue the I-20 form. Next, you must complete the DS-160 form, online non-immigrant visa application, and pay the $185 United States MRV fee and schedule a visa interview at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. Before the visa interview, you have to pay the SEVIS fee, $350, through the FMJ fee website. During the interview, you must present your passport, I-20 form, DS-160 confirmation, visa application receipt, SEVIS fee receipt, academic documents, test scores and proof of financial ability to cover tuition and living expenses. It is advisable to start the visa application process at least 6 months before your program begins to avoid any delays. 7. Prepare for travel and university life. Once your visa is approved, you can start preparing for your move to the US. Book your flights, arrange accommodation, and attend any pre-departure orientations offered by the organizations like Educationusa, USEF in your country. Make sure you communicate with your university after getting the visa and ask for the airport pickup or housing assistance need. Familiarize yourself with the university's health insurance requirements, campus resources, and cultural aspects of living in the US. In conclusion, applying for a bachelor's degree in the USA involves multiple steps, from selecting universities to securing a visa. The key to a successful application is early preparation, meeting deadlines, and submitting strong application materials. If you need further guidance, consulting Educationusa Advisors, USEF, webinar conducted by the US universities or a college counselor can be beneficial. By following these steps carefully, you can maximize your chances of admission to a US university and embark on an exciting academic journey. Thank you for watching our video. For more such informative video, please like, comment and subscribe our video.